Speaking of which, with Democratic Senator Elizabeth Warren's highly publicized endorsement of Hillary Clinton, it seems all is well between the two politicians. But have the two always gotten along? One America's Kjeldgaard takes us inside their complicated history.
When it was announced that Hillary Clinton clinched the Democratic nomination, endorsements from party leaders were quick to follow. And few endorsements have been talked about more than that of Senator Elizabeth Warren. Known for fighting against big banks and economic inequality, the senator's endorsement could bring many progressives and even Sanders supporters to support the Clinton campaign. In a 2014 interview on ABC, Warren talked about a letter she signed urging the former secretary to run.
All of the women, Democratic women, I should say, of the Senate urged Hillary Clinton to run, and I hope she does.
But their relationship hasn't always been friendly. After an opinion piece written by Warren as a Harvard professor, then First Lady Clinton requested a one-on-one meeting about a bankruptcy bill supported by President Bill Clinton. Warren described the complexities of the law to the First Lady, who then took her views back to Washington. Soon after, the bill failed because of Hillary Clinton's stance. Yet as a young senator from New York, Clinton later voted for an identical bill in 2001. In Warren's 2003 book, The Two-Income Trap, the senator strongly critiques Clinton's vote, questioning her principles. As she said in a 2004 interview,
one of the first bills that came up after she was Senator Clinton was the bankruptcy bill. Her husband had vetoed it very much at her urging.
And?
She voted in favor of it.
The scathing critique carried into the campaign trail, forcing Clinton to respond in a February interview.
Part of what Senator Warren said you played. You didn't play the whole thing because we'd been allies. I faced a tough decision.
Now the senator supports the presumptive nominee, and some have even rumored her as a possible vice presidential pick. Advisors to Warren say she has thought about the possibility, but has not spoken with the Clinton campaign about the position. Now, all seems well between Warren and Clinton, but as history shows, it could all change in an instant. Kjeldgaard, One America News.